So hey, what's up everyone, this is Javid back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be showing you how you can generate your own QR code through Python, and you can encode any of your messages, links into it. So for that, simply you have to install the QR code module through CMD panel, and after installing it, just open your VS Code or any of your preferred code editor. I'm here using the VS Code, okay? So simply go to right here, code QR code, and after that, I'm here taking the data variable, and here I'm encoding my messages, or you can include any of the link, whatever you want to share. Okay, I'm here writing hi, this is J. After writing it, here I am taking a function called your image equal to QR code dot make, and here I am including my data variable into it. Okay, and after that I have to save the image, so I'm simply gonna write QR image dot save, and now QR image dot jpg. Okay, and now it will be successfully running your code, and it will be successfully generated your QR code. And to simply viewing it, to simply view of this QR code, right here from PIN import image. Now image equal to image dot open QR image dot jpg. And for displaying it, just simply write image dot show function, and now it will successfully showing your image, and you'll definitely gonna see it. And as you have seen, it will be seriously successfully gonna show it, and it will be running.